Addition from 101 to 150 in a super fun way. 101 plus 102 plus 103 plus 104 plus 105 plus 106 plus 107 plus 108 plus 109 plus 110 is equals to 1055. 111 plus 112 plus 113 plus 114 plus 115 plus 116 plus 117 plus 118 plus 119 plus 120 is equals to 1155. 121 plus 122 plus 123 plus 124 plus 125 plus 126 plus 127 plus 128 plus 129 plus 130 is equals to 1255. 131 plus 132 plus 133 plus 134 plus 135 plus 136 plus 137 plus 138 plus 139 plus 140 is equals to 1355. 141 plus 142 plus 43 plus 144 plus 145 plus 146 plus 147 plus 148 plus 149 plus 150 is equals to 1455. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to your channel Learning City. Bye.